Hello my babies, Mama's back with another video. I have a lot of exciting things happening in this video today, babies. I hope you're excited. Get excited. Let's get excited together. Before I get into cooking the anabolic oatmeal cookies, first I have a couple of announcements. Announcement time. Your girl finally got some merch. Hey, what if you could see my nips so well? We have a couple items. My merch is now up, so that means you guys can rock some Swole Squad merch. I have actually a couple designs. I have one that says "This shit slaps," one that says Swole Squad, and one that says Swole Baby. So make sure you head on over to the website and grab some. I'm so fucking excited that it's actually finally out. It feels so funny to be wearing a shirt that says Mama Swole. Like, that's me. That's me. I just can't wait to see you guys in them because you're gonna look so fucking cute and swole, of course. You guys are gonna look so swole. So like I said, there's a lot of different designs on the website. I also have like a lot of different color options. I only ordered a few samples, but I'll just give you a little demonstration of what they look like. We have the black hoodie that says Swole Squad with the white writing. Oh, by the way, dog hair is not included. This is another example. We got the Swole Squad tank top. I actually have it kind of tied in the back, so you could do that too if you wanted it tighter. We got this Swole Squad crew neck. It's like a navy blue. I don't even know if that's navy blue, but it's some cute looking blue. I also got this white Swole Squad hoodie. I must say, this shit is comfy. The inside of this, it feels like a panda. I've never even felt a panda, but I feel like a panda would be really soft. It's nice to work out in because I already worked out in the black one, so it's kind of dirty, so I should probably wash it. If you get too hot, you can take it off and then just wear the tank top. I also have some masks on the website, and I have hoodies that say "This shit slaps," and I have one also with the asterisk because I know like not everybody wants to walk around with the shirt that says a swear word on it. Head on over to the website, grab you some. I really appreciate it. A couple people have already bought some, and that literally means the whole fucking world to me. Like, oh my god, I love you. Thank you guys so much. Like, thank you. My heart feels so full. I just can't wait to see you babies wearing this shit. Like, let's represent the squad. That's my first big exciting announcement. And then my other big announcement is that I'm gonna be putting out a program soon, folks, and also an ebook that's gonna go with the program because it's gonna be mostly for beginners. So if you've never ever lifted before, or if you know somebody that's getting into lifting, it would be a very good present for them because the ebook is gonna be all about how to do exercises correctly, what muscles each exercise works, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm really excited to put it out there. I'm gonna put a lot of work and effort into it, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you like it. A lot of exciting stuff happening, babies. Let's get into these cookies now, shall we?
And the Swole comment of the day is this comment right here. For a chance to be featured in the next Swole comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment below.
Welcome back to Mama's kitchen. So they're doing work upstairs, so it's gonna be really fucking loud. And it's probably gonna get on my nerves the whole time I'm filming this. But bear with me, babies. If you hear that shit going on, just ignore it. It's been a while since we've been in my kitchen, guys. I think last time we were in here was when I tried to make an exercise for cheat meals recipe, and we all know how that went. Fucking bugs in this? Hello? Is there a family in there? Oh my god, there's one in there! God, I can't use this. No! Okay, now I'm upset. And I have a wedgie. So I actually had one of my subscribers submit this recipe. His name is, let's go make him famous. Everybody go follow him on Instagram, Drew Gibson. So shout out to Drew for this recipe. It's only 3 ingredients, so I think I'll be able to handle that. If you're new here, you're like, yeah, why wouldn't you be able to? And if you've been around for a while, I don't need to explain it, you know exactly why. All you need is a little Nana oatmeal and some protein powder. So literally 3 ingredients. That should be super easy. Don't let them get you angry. Don't let them get you angry. Let's try it out. The first step is preheating the oven to 350 degrees. So let's do that first. 350. And then he says to smash a banana in a bowl like baby food. So let's do that next. I should probably wash a fork, huh? Dude, I don't know why. All my forks are missing. I used to have, I want to say like 4 or 5 forks, and now I have 2 forks. Where the fuck did all my forks go? Does anybody else have this problem? Someone has to have this problem. So, how's it going? How's you guys' day? I hope you're having a good ass day. What are we working out? What are we training? Everybody comment below. Today, I did not train anything. Yes, I know, that's not good. And you're like, oh, because it's your rest day? No, it was not my rest day. But I just woke up late this morning, so I didn't get to make it to the gym. But you know what? That's okay. I think sometimes we're way too hard on ourselves when we miss a day. But like, it's alright, man. It's just one day, right? That's Mama's motivational speech for the day. So he said to smash this up like baby food. I don't know if I'm gonna do a very good job at that. It's harder than it looks. Or is it just me? Probably just me. Alright, does that look like baby food? What do you think? You can't see it, but
I'm sure it's fine. I feel like you guys should send me more recipes. I'll do them because this is fun. Okay, now 1 cup oats of your choice. All right, so we're gonna go with Kroger. Oh, I don't have a cup. Well, I have this. I don't know how much this is because the writing, god damn it, you can't even see that, but the writing is like scratched off, so I actually don't know how much this is, but it looks like maybe 1/3 of a cup. What do you guys think? I don't know. So we're gonna put in 3 of these. Yeah! Okay. Then we need 1 scoop of protein powder. Wait, what the f? How is this gonna be like, is this a troll? I feel like I'm being trolled right now. Cause how is it? All right, let's just try it. You guys can use code MamaSwole for a discount because we're gonna be using Transparent Labs vegan protein. I don't know if that'll make a difference for the recipe because I know a lot of anabolic recipes, they say don't use vegan protein, but like, I've said this before, I've used it every single time. I don't see the difference, but that's just me. We need 1 scoop. We're gonna use chocolate. Shut up. We're gonna use chocolate because I feel like that would go well with oatmeal cookies, don't you? Get out of there. See, but now we're gonna get to the part where I'm confused. How is it gonna be liquidy? Like, I feel like, shouldn't there be like some liquid, like almond milk or something that goes into this? Or am I wrong? Am I wrong? I'm probably wrong. Mix well, let sit 5 minutes. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't know. So I think I need to like mash it up and shit, I guess. Like, I don't know how it's gonna mix. I feel like we need some form of liquid. I feel like it's way too much oats and protein and not enough banana. But, you know, I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to cooking. So why would I even be? I should just shut up. How would I even know? So far, it's not working out. Maybe I'm just gonna have to mix for like an hour. Should I use my hands? Oh wait, this works way better. Okay. I don't know if this is working. Maybe I put too many oats. Maybe that wasn't 1/3 a cup. Maybe that was like 1/2 a cup. I should have only put 2 of those. Oh wait, okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Okay, now I'm excited. I feel like a fucking toddler. God, I definitely put too much oatmeal in there. Can I tell you guys something? I used to be addicted to oatmeal when I was in college. Like, I'm not kidding. You can ask my roommate. I was literally, oh great, now they're doing work in the hallway and above me. Can y'all shh? Just for like the next 30 minutes. Like, what if I just went up there and was like, hey, for like the next 30 minutes, can you guys like stop working just for me, please? You think they would listen? Okay, I think this might actually be working. Oh yeah, but back to my college oatmeal story. So yeah, I don't know why I was addicted to it. I think it's because after prep, it was like the one sweet thing. Or at least I felt like it was the one sweet thing that I could have. I would be at a party. I'm not kidding you, me and my roommate. We went to this guy's house after a party. That doesn't sound, not like that. That doesn't sound right. It wasn't like that. It was our friend. We went to his house. I was like, do you have any oatmeal? Or actually, I might have brought my own oatmeal. I can't remember. It was like the instant pack kind. Oh my God. I don't know, guys. It's kind of mushy, but I mean, he did say to let it sit for 5 minutes, so maybe once I let it sit, the texture will be okay. But as of right now, it's just very crumbly, and I feel like I'm being trolled. Are you trolling me, Drew? Well, I don't know. I'm just gonna let that sit for 5 minutes. What should we do while we're letting it sit? Should we have a dance party? Okay, so that killed 4 minutes. So we have like 1 minute left. What should we do with the next minute? So next he said to try to make them into a cookie form. So I don't know how this is gonna go. So I've got my cookie pan. Doesn't seem like anything really happened from the time I left it. Hey, shut up! Shut up! I don't really think that letting them sit for 5 minutes helped anything because it's still obviously falling apart. I don't have faith in this recipe. Where did I go wrong, Drew? Where did I go wrong? But basically now we're oh, do you fucking see this? Now we're gonna shape them into a cookie and watch as they fall apart. Okay, look, we got I don't think this is gonna work. That's why I said in the beginning, for those of you that are new,
it's 3 ingredients, so it should be easy.
This shit always happens to me, dog. All right, let's just do this. There's no way they're gonna stay in cookie form, so I'm just gonna do this. Oh, f you. Yep, this is working excellent. God damn it. What the f, dog? Would you like to see what we have? Here's what we have, folks. Huh? Oh my god, this did not even look anything near cookies. But I'm still gonna put it in the oven and see what happens. Oh my god. You guys, there was a pan in the oven the whole time. Isn't that like dangerous? Could I have just like set my apartment on fire? But pans are meant to be in the oven, so maybe it's fine. Should I just take it out now? Hey, learn from me, kids. Always check the oven before you turn it on. Luckily, nothing's on fire. Everybody's okay. Put these non-cookie cookies in here. Bro, this is not gonna work. Let me read his instructions again, just to see if I did. All right, 3 ingredients. Banana, cup of oats, and scoop of protein powder. Let it sit, pop in the oven. I don't know, man. Didn't work out for me. Didn't work out for me. When does anything ever work out for me? I'm just gonna see what happens within the next few minutes. Maybe they will miraculously turn into a cookie, but I don't know, guys. You just wait right there, because we'll be right back to see what happens. All right, so it's about time we take these babies out of the oven. Let's see what we got. I don't know. I just don't know. Wait, the oven isn't even on! Why isn't the oven on? Did I turn it off? I think I turned it off. I turned it off when I got that pan out. Fuck. Oh well, I don't really think it makes a difference because it's still really hot. Maybe it does make a difference. God fucking damn it. Alright, let's try this again. Turn the oven back on. And we'll be back. Again. Okay, it smells like it's burning, so let's get it out, shall we? Oh, nothing happened. Oh, it's definitely burnt. Oh my god. What? What is this? What is this? Okay. I don't know what happened. I don't know where I went wrong, but that was fun. Let's give it a taste, shall we? Ew, bruh. So bad. It's really bad, man. I mean, it tastes literally nothing like an oatmeal cookie. Hey, at least I gave it a try, Drew. Thanks for sending it to me anyways. Let me know where I went wrong. This has been another edition of Mama's Kitchen, where I fuck everything up always. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video anyways. Maybe try them for yourself and see if someone else out there can get it right, because I sure can't. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to go get yourself some Mama Swole. I said Mama Swole. Some Mama Swole merch. Leave a comment below for the algorithm. Just say the word algorithm and I'll be happy. Give this video a like if you liked it. Subscribe to join Swole Squad. And shout out to my patrons if you would like to support me on Patreon. The link is in the description. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good ass day. That little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Is that the lyrics? I don't even know the fucking lyrics to that song.